Good day, everyone. My name is Jeremy A. Morales, and I'm from Section 1F. My topic is continuation about game theory. Algebraic method. Algebraic method is used in the game of 3 by 3 matrix, and the game does not have any saddle point. Another condition is that game cannot be reduced to 2 by 2 matrix by the principle of dominance. Use the formula of 2, 3, 1, and 2 for the cross multiplication. Linear programming simplex method. It is sometimes difficult to solve a game problem in the M and N by payoff matrix having neither a saddle point nor any dominant row or column, and M and N are more than 2. Simplex method of LPP is a general method for all types of the game problem, particularly when all the players have 3 or more strategy. Iterative approximation method. This method can be applied to solve 3 by 3 or higher game which cannot be easily solved by any other method. The following steps are used for iterative method. First, player A chooses the superior strategy over the other and places the row below the matrix. Second, player B examines this row and chooses a column corresponding to the smallest number in that row. This column is placed to the right of the matrix. Third, player A examines this column and select a row corresponding to the largest number in this column. This row is then added to the row last chosen, and then sum of the two rows is placed below the previous row selected. Fourth, player B chooses a column corresponding to the smallest number in the row and adds this column to the last chosen and place it below to the previous column selected. Fifth, in case of tie, the player should choose the row or column different from his last choice. This procedure is repeated for a number of iterations. The upper limit of the game is calculated by dividing the highest number in the last column by the total number of iterations. Similarly to the lower limit of the game is determined by dividing the lowest number in the last row by the total number of iterations. Limitation of game theory. Infinite number of strategy, knowledge about strategy, 0 outcomes, rest and uncertainty, finite number of competitor, certainty of payoff, role of game. That's all. Thank you.